Palakpakan naman! Okay. Smile lang lagi, Ate Anika ha. Smile, Ate Anika. Okay, once again guys, everybody clap your hands. Alright, syempre yung mga kasali sa ating 7 roses. Okay, balik ulit tayo dito sa harapan para sa ating photo op. Let's go. Alright, once again, everybody clap your hands. Okay, syempre last. Okay, last but not the least. Okay, may call on Daddy. Guys, tingin lang kayo doon lagi. Ate Anika, tingin lang lagi sa camera, Ate Anika. Everybody clap your hands. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Palakpakan. Palakpakan naman! Okay, smile lang lagi, Ate Anika ha. Lagi lang tingin sa camera. Tingin sa camera, Ate Anika. Alright. Alright, next one. Okay, may call on Kuya Kevin. Alright, clap your hands. Okay, tingin lang sa camera, Ate Anika. Look at the camera, guys. Okay, tingin lang. Okay, mag-away. Palakpakan natin silang dalawa. Smile. Sige, Kuya. Dance mo siya, Kuya. Palakpakan naman. Okay, next. Okay, Kuya. Right, guys. So, clap your hands. Alright, next one. Okay, Kuya Sanjeev. Sa camera. Okay, smile lang lagi. Smile, smile. Palakpakan mo po tayo dyan, guys. Alright, next one. Okay, Kuya Kim.